Hello, I'm Andrew.
And I'm Leah.
And we're here from Fine & Country to show you Great Meadow.
So join us while we explore this beautiful property.
It's a substantial 5-bedroom, 4-reception room executive home.
It's set within 3/4 of an acre and has beautiful gardens laid to lawn and views over surrounding countryside. Along with the benefit of the double garage, which has a hobbies room above.
So let's go inside and see what it has to offer. So here we are, welcome inside Great Meadow.
You enter into this welcoming, spacious entrance hall that doubles up as a snug and this beautiful fireplace. Here we are in the main reception space. As you can see, it's extremely spacious and flooded with natural light. The main reception area is split into 2 parts. One of them here is the dining area, as you can see, which has access out onto the terrace.
And we move into this really spacious living area with this fire surround with polished stone, and inset we've got a wood burning stove.
There's also this beautiful bay window which looks over the views through the trees. This beautiful large kitchen is great if you love cooking. It has an integral dishwasher, solid worktops and this multi-fuel range master and extractor.
And concluding the reception space, we have this splendid UPVC double glazed conservatory with a wonderful south-facing elevation and access out to the patio.
So let's go and take a look outside.
So here we are in the gardens, which in all with the plot extends to approximately 3/4 of an acre.
Our vendors have left a section of garden that is wild, so it attracts all a range of wildlife, especially on days like today.
And there's a shed, a productive area, it's really hard to believe we've got a chorus of birdsong and we're in such a secluded, tucked away position, yet easily reachable is the park, the leisure centre, the school and all the town centre and shops.
Once you get home from work or have enjoyed a relaxing day in the garden, here is the perfect spot just to sit back and relax and have a lovely barbecue or enjoy a drink and watch the view through the trees. Cheers!
There's also a dual aspect study with an adjacent ground floor WC for extra convenience.
There are a total of 5 bedrooms here on the first floor, and here we are in the superior master bedroom that enjoys views when you wake up in the morning over the surrounding countryside.
And we have a walk-in dressing room with built-in furniture and a completely refurbished ensuite shower room WC with a huge shower. Bedroom 2 also has a walk-in wardrobe area and ensuite facilities. The home benefits from mains gas-fired central heating and all of the external windows and doors have been replaced. There also is a PV solar array with a battery mitigating the energy costs for the home. And the remaining 3 double bedrooms all share use of the exquisite family bathroom WC with separate shower cubicle. So there we are, What an outstanding home in a really premium location in the heart of Launceston.
So if you'd like to come and take a look, then please give us a call at Fine & Country Launceston on 015 66 77 1919.